Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix AI transcription with Otter.ai, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start fixing AI transcription issues with Otter.ai, first, open the Otter.ai website or app. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Conversations section. Select the conversation that contains the transcription you want to edit. Click on the transcription to open it. Review the text for any inaccuracies in the transcription. Listen to the audio by clicking the play button to verify the accuracy of the text. As you listen, highlight any words or phrases that need correction. To edit the transcription, click on the text and make the necessary changes. Ensure that you are correcting any misspellings or misheard words. After making corrections, review the entire transcription again. If you need to add notes or comments, use the comment feature to annotate your changes. Once you're satisfied with the transcription, click on Save Changes to preserve your edits. If you need to export the transcription, click on the Export option. Select your preferred file format for exporting, such as text or PDF. Download the file to your device. This completes the process of fixing AI transcription with Otter.ai. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.